The Smart Aroma Essential Oil Diffuser has a lot of functions. It comes with a nice manual to help you get started. Here's the aroma diffuser. There's where the light shines and the steam comes out, and there's where you plug it in. It's really compact and light, and it shuts off automatically if it runs out of water. You want to start off by filling the tank with water. Control the light either on your phone or by pushing the buttons on the front. It has 6 different lighting colors. The blue light flashing is for you to set up your phone when that's flashing. You download the app by scanning the QR code, and it has all these functions. Actually, we're connecting it to the oil diffuser first. You gotta put in your Wi-Fi password, and then you can control it completely from your phone. It takes a few minutes to set up. It's gotta find the device, and you wanna make sure your phone is really close to the device. Okay, here we're controlling the lights. You can change the colors. You can change the mist. There's 2 different settings, either continuous or intermittent, or you can turn it off. If you have Google Home or Amazon Alexa, you can connect it to those. We don't have those, so we were unable to show you those features, but it does connect to those as well. You can turn it off with your phone, turn it back on with your phone. It has a timer, so if you want to set a schedule, as long as you do need to make sure it has water in it, but basically you can set the schedule on your phone. Say you when you get home, you want it to turn on so your house smells nice when you get there. You can set it up like that, or when you wake up in the morning, or if you're just sitting here watching TV, you can set it to turn on each night at a certain time when you know you're going to be in that room. And you can see where you can use it with the Echo or use it with the Google Home there. It has many functions. There's how you add the Amazon Echo. It shows you the steps right there. It's very intuitive and has the steps. It's very easy to set up, and it's a great little app. I did try downloading it on my tablet. It did not work on the tablet. I think it's only works on smartphones for right now. There's how you add the Google Home device to it. As you can see, it has the instructions. And I'm sure they will add updates as they sell more of these.
If you like this video, please click like and subscribe.